All right, so hey there. Figured we'd get away from all the Corona talk for a little bit and just get back to some basics here. My bike tire went out, and I've already taped it up before, but it sprung a leak again somewhere. So I'm just going to use this opportunity to show you how to take it apart and fix it up the way I fix it up, which is using some just duct tape and a pump. That's it. That's all you really need. So without further ado, let's get started. I like to get on the ground here because sometimes you don't know you're going to use some leg strength to kind of pull this tire off here. So first we got to get underneath it, down in here. Okay, there, see? There it is. Right there, see the leak problem. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this you can set aside for the time being. Oh, something's coming out here. Put that back in there. I'm not sure what that was. Now this here is the tube. You take the tube out and see I glued it. First glued it and I taped it up before. All right. So that's where the rip happened again. I'm thinking if we just flatten this out, put some new tape on it. It's all slimy. Don't know what I did before that made it so slimy. Well, here, okay, so I'm gonna use some black duct tape. Just wrap it around there again. Try to make it more snug than I already had. Okay. That's what you gotta do. There's a lot of pressure being put on this. And so press it down really hard. This time when we pump it up, there won't be no issue. Now first you gotta get it all back in there real tight. It's gonna fight you a little bit. You just gotta have stronger willpower. There you go. Back in here. You gotta line this hole up. Okay, there we go. And then push the tube right on there. Come on now. Get this part to go into the metal right there. Get that in there. Make sure you don't lose the little nub. Come on, little nub. Stay. Okay, stay there. Now, a way you can lock that little nub in there is to go ahead and take the back pump. Get it preemptively hooked back on there. See? Oh, it's stuck. Okay. Another one of my tips. Save you a lot of time. Okay, gotta get the little nub out again. Come on. Come on. Blast it, stay on it. There we go. Real tight this time. Okay. Actually ain't going nowhere. I bet my bottom dollar on it. That's what I'm saying. You gotta be on the ground. Don't have any pants on or nothing and get all dirty because this is going to get messy. Okay, there we go. Now, it's just a matter of pumping it up. Oh, jeez. Let's pump her up and see what she does. Oh, sounding pretty good so far. Darn good. See, when there's a problem, like when an amateur does this, you're going to hear a lot of hissing, shooting out the sides and stuff. This sounds like it's getting nice and pumped. See, I've been doing it so long, though, I know how to get these things repaired. There's no bike shops with tire tubes around me anywhere. So I have to take the one that I have, and just make it work. Come on. Now you want to get that air pressure up there. Where's that now? Come on, get it. Oh, wait. Oh, you hear that? A little bit of hiss still going on. Well, you get the idea. We're obviously going to have to add a little more tape to really get this thing going. Can't get this camera going. But hopefully you get the basic idea. It's pretty much just as simple as that. Take it all apart, tape it up, put it back on. Maybe just not have so much slimy stuff on it, and it'll probably work a lot better.